Okay, this is for Ryan, and I'm gonna send one to Jill too. I got all my, I used to have my desk in there. Finally got my fold-out table sheet, all my stuff set up over there to work on. Got the board up here going just fine. Badass cheap little computer that don't even work. Get it over there, and here I'm gonna be able to set up all my displays. I got all my rocks and shells and everything else that go along with all those pictures here. But now, my new rep, I'm gonna try something I never did before. I haven't even written this down. This is in my head. It just happened a while ago that I finally think I got it figured out. We're talking about movement through a torus, through the center of it. Yeah. Because I see these lines that pass so much like this along the torus when you see those pictures of them, I know there has to be something in this stream that is in effect helping the spin go. So I'd always had this picture of the electron where it goes over the right next to the center without touching. It leaves a little hole. I'm doing this from okay, that picture. As a cage with one on the outside and one on the inside, going opposite directions, one this way and the other way. Okay, there's your right and left spin at the atom, the electron rather. This is the atom. Whole big spin around this. You know, you remember from the first part where this is surrounded by the hemispherical cage, north and south. Now this is where the origin of this wave function, well, call it whatever the hell you want, the layers are coming out from the center here, because this torus between them combines the two, one direction, one the other. But as that's spinning, we have something through the center that's guiding this. Now I finally realized over here, I looked at this little cage that I always drew. If I change that, you know, the number of times this thing orbits around here depends on how many particles it has, or whatever you want to call them. I don't even think they're particles, it's force fields. This is magnetism. Right spin is either magnetic north or south, left spin is the other. I ain't figured out which. Okay, if I take that picture, break it down to just maybe like 3, well, that gives a chance for this to begin. Where this structure, when pointed together, were both axes joined together. Usually you have an axis in the center that's off from this one. That's where, like, you see the planet does the same thing. So when you have the two axes going together, okay, turn it sideways so it'll fix this picture. We have the holes aligning up here between the cages. That will allow the electrical constituent through. Well, I should do that with a different color. We'll call it the green. Here's the electrical stream going through. Now as it adds and subtracts to this spin of the object, that stream controls the layering that comes out and also controls the motion of the stream.